Over 60. Top 6 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia in seniors. After 60, many people think muscle loss is inevitable. But what if I told you that the right fruits, yes, simple fruits, can help you rebuild muscle, fight sarcopenia, and stay strong and active for years? Today, I'm revealing 6 powerful fruits that work like natural medicine for your muscles, including one that doctors call a game changer for seniors. If you want to keep lifting, walking, and living without pain, stay with me to the end because fruit number 6 is often overlooked, but it's a secret weapon for your health. As we check out these fruits, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Nail channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on this channel. Thank you. Before we start, let's quickly understand why these fruits matter. Sarcopenia is age-related muscle loss. After 60, your body produces less protein, inflammation rises, and your muscles lose strength. These fruits work in 3 powerful ways. 1. Reduce inflammation. Antioxidants in fruits like tart cherries and apples fight muscle damage. 2. Boost protein and recovery. Fruits like avocado and kiwi provide essential amino acids and nutrients for muscle repair. 3. Improve blood flow and energy. Pomegranate and prunes increase circulation and deliver oxygen to your muscles for better endurance. Simply put, these fruits don't just taste good, they help your muscles heal, grow, and stay strong. 1. Avocado. Avocado isn't just for toast. It's a muscle-protecting superfruit. Why? It's packed with monounsaturated fats, which help absorb nutrients, and it provides potassium, which prevents muscle cramps. Plus, avocados contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and supports recovery after activity. 1 million avocado has about 4 grams of protein. That's huge for a fruit. Combine that with fiber and magnesium, and you've got a food that helps your muscles repair and stay strong. Mash it on whole grain bread or add it to salads for a creamy, muscle-friendly boost. 2. Tart cherry. Tart cherries are a secret weapon for seniors. Why? They are packed with anthocyanins, which reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. In fact, studies show that tart cherry juice can speed up muscle recovery after exercise and even improve sleep because it naturally boosts melatonin. And here's the best part. Better recovery means less pain and more energy for daily movement, which is essential for reversing sarcopenia. Drink a small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening or add frozen tart cherries to your smoothie. 3. Pomegranates. Want stronger muscles? You need good blood flow. Pomegranates are rich in nitrates and polyphenols, which improve circulation and deliver oxygen to your muscles. That means better endurance, faster recovery, and less fatigue. Pomegranate juice has also been linked to reduced muscle soreness and improved strength performance in studies. Drink half cup of fresh pomegranate juice before your walk or workout, or sprinkle pomegranate seeds on your yogurt. 4. Prunes. Prunes or dried plums aren't just for digestion. They are packed with potassium, boron, and antioxidants which protect bones and muscles. Seniors who eat prunes regularly have better bone density and less muscle breakdown. They also provide natural sugars for energy without spiking your blood sugar like processed snacks. Snack on 4 to 5 prunes daily or add them to your oatmeal for a sweet, muscle-friendly breakfast. 5. Apple. An apple a day really can keep the doctor away, especially for seniors fighting sarcopenia. Apples contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects muscles from damage. Plus, the natural fiber keeps your gut healthy, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and overall strength. Eat it with peanut butter for an extra protein punch. 6. Kiwi. And finally, fruit number 6, kiwi. This little green fruit is loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, the protein that holds your muscles and joints together. Without enough collagen, muscles weaken and joints ache. Kiwi also supports immune health and helps reduce oxidative stress, which speeds up muscle recovery. Eat 2 kiwis a day for a natural vitamin C boost that fights aging and muscle loss. Remember, reversing sarcopenia isn't just about lifting weights, it's about what you eat every single day. These 6 fruits, avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prunes, apple, and kiwi, are your natural allies to rebuild muscle, protect bones, and stay strong after 60. Which of these fruits will you add to your diet today? Comment below. I would love to hear. And if this video helped you, hit like, share it with a friend who is over 60, and subscribe for more tips on staying strong and healthy for life. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green health cares.